Hi guys, and welcome back to Ladybug's Garden. Today we're going to be checking out the garden and how everything is growing due to all of the rain we've been having. Here in our first raised bed, we have our red potatoes, and we also have a volunteer nasturtium plant. In raised bed number 2, we have some red leaf lettuce, our first cabbage plant, our second cabbage plant. I'm not sure what variety of lettuce this is. It was in a pack of mesclun mix. Here we have Barice chard, which is very, very delicious. An alternative to growing 5-color Swiss chard, which I do have. Our leaves on our cabbage are starting to fold over on each other, so hopefully we'll have some nice heads pretty soon. We have some red leaf lettuce hiding under our cabbage. Here we have a volunteer dill plant. And we are coming up on our 5-color Swiss chard. In raised bed number 3, we have a Japanese red tomato. This plant was actually dying out, but due to the extreme heat that we've had, it continued to grow. And now that we've had over 2 weeks of rain, it's continuing to flourish. Here we have some endive, some romaine, some black-seeded Simpson lettuce. We have some red salad bowl lettuce. Due to the wind from the storm that we're currently having, my romaine lettuce has been knocked over and I'm trying to get it to stay upright. We have some germinated carrot seeds. Although I didn't plant them back there, they're continuing to grow. And we also have some sweet peas that we're waiting for it to flower. In raised bed number 4, we have several collard green stalks growing. Hiding in the back here, we have some kale. My kale was actually infested with aphids, and I cut everything down and removed all of the tops. So now they're starting to grow back again. Can't wait to make some kale chips. Here we have several more collard green plants. A few green onion plants that we're growing. The collard greens are really loving this cool weather and rain that we've been getting recently. Last week I transplanted this broccoli plant, so we're definitely waiting for that to continue growing to give us some broccoli crowns. Here we have raised bed number 5. We have 2 more cabbage plants that I transplanted last week. And lastly, we have the tomato jungle. I call it the tomato jungle because 2 plants are intertwined with each other. The first plant is a winter grape cherry tomato, and the second plant is a husky cherry tomato. Both plants were dying out, but due to the extreme heat wave that we had during the month of October and November, it decided to start growing again. Now that we are experiencing a winter storm, it has really picked up speed because of all of the water that it is receiving every day. Hopefully, this will be a jump start to the growing season for spring and summer. And as always, thank you for watching our video. Please be sure to click the like and subscribe button. See you real soon.